Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Can't see your screen though.
Yeah, I haven't shared it yet. Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can. I'm just doing some stuff right now.
You guys see the screen now? Good. We're getting ready for a sell here. It's a strong wick. Let me turn off this air. Yes, I'm zooming from the I'm live streaming from the YouTube live streaming from the Zoom app. We have this pre-market range here for the past hour that we're utilizing. Yeah, 1 second. I got practice right after this, guys. So let's try to make this fast. My practice got moved. It was actually supposed to be before this. We're waiting for the break. Yep. How does this webcam look? There's a new webcam. Is it clear? Nice. Thank God. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not gonna lie, this pre-session filter is fucking genius. Genius.
You pretty much waiting for it to break either that pre-market low or pre-market high, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy, bro.
I do nothing. I tell you guys, I do not want to work. I do not want to trade. This is automatic. People need to come here and understand I live an automatic lifestyle. There will be no way I'll be able to play basketball on a professional level and sit here and mark up charts. It doesn't work that way.
Yeah, it requires a lot of work.
I wait for it to just put labels on my screen and then I follow directions. That's how simple this gets. Do not make this shit difficult. But yeah, it's so I didn't go over the updates really. So well, first of all, let me ask you guys, how was my mic? Am I like compared to every other morning? Because I'm just using the mic from this webcam. It's a company that sent me a webcam. So how's the mic on it? Is it clear? Cool. So there's a couple things I added. You'll see, well, first, the boxes, like all the boxes are more transparent, the borders. So like when you see that sell or buy signal, it's not such a thick border. It's very thin. So it doesn't like cover the candle. Same thing for the chop filter boxes. Then you go to the high-low band settings, this confirmation candle. This means that sometimes you'll get a break, right? To the upside, and it will be like a weak buy candle or if a downside, a weak sell candle in a wick. Confirmation candle is the same setting that we have in everything else, that the price action has to match the signal. So a sell signal has to be a down candle. Buy signal has to be a strong buy candle. So that's another filter that we added. We got a sell signal plotting right now, 4 minutes left into this candle. What else did I add in here? Oh, and then the pre-session that's right here, pre-session range and strict. You can see here, this is my strict, doesn't plot anything. And I have it look for the 1 hour in the East Coast. So is this something that confused some people? If you're, you have to change in the algo as well as your trading view. So I had to change my my time zone here in TradingView. Then I changed my time zone in the actual algorithm itself. Then I go in here and make my proper times according to you know, wherever you're stationed at. This there. I don't know why these lines are popping up. Horizontal grid line.
God, it was hit, man.
Oh, I also have the these signals going to the Discord too, huh? Cool. I do have the algo in a bot version, guys. Just like on TradingView, how we used to have them. I have it in a bot. All right. So you know, it's still soon I'll be making videos on how to connect it to like your Binance and stuff like that. I'm missing the VWAP. So in situations like this, you have no choice but to wait for the signal, and plus the first signal, dialing up. Do I need TradingView? Yes. I told you that when we first had the conversation, Brody. TradingView and MetaTrader are the first things you need to do and learn. So you can see yourself in a sandwich, right? So one pre-market highs and lows, right? You're in between that range. Then you're beneath the stepped moving average, but you're also above the daily VWAP, which means that this is just your overall zone no matter what. So that means whatever signal this provides is going to be a strong breakout. And it's going to be a clean 100 points from my experience. Can you get faked out still? Of course you can. But in reality, my experience, shit just smacks. Oh, it's cold. Never thought I'd say that in Dominican Republic. How long they got you out there living the life? I have probably been here for like 2, maybe 3 weeks. I'm playing in Dominican Republic, in Santiago. They got me out here. I'm out here thugging with the commoners. Yeah, so I'll send you guys the links. They'll be streaming the games. It'll be on TV and stuff. I think my flyer is somewhere around in the city and shit. Take a picture, send it to the group too. Bet I'll send it. Not a problem. Good morning. All right. Looks like we're getting a buy here. Read the news on this stock. Mainly time CRTD. Buy the stock. Well, drop the information into the Discord. Educate us. Get ready for a buy. In 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Well, it fell back into his range. Man, we're gonna hold you. I need the air conditioning, and I'm not about to get sick. That's not my vibe today. You have any plans on introducing a lifetime plan? I literally just ran a special on my lifetime for the bundle. It usually goes for 3,000. I ran a special for 2. In all honesty, if people still want it at that 2, just hit me up. And we can definitely work something out. The Google split, that's what happened.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense.
So yeah, Jimmy, that's went to the lifetime. All right, we got a buy signal. All the rules are matched. We're above that daily VWAP, above our stepped, broke the top of the pre-market range. Okay. Oscillators say it's a go. We're green in the watch list. Are you guys in profit? Oh, yeah, it's kind of a boring morning, huh?
Premium Droplets takes advantage of some of the newest Intel and AMD CPUs available. This
It's not. This might be a sign to exit the position. This is Friday's daily close. If it continues to wick to the upside, it's usually because it's going to reject. Give it a second.
I still think you're right, though. Whatever way it does go, it's going to blow up, though.
Yeah. That's already too long
on that upside,
rejected.
though.
Everything's pointing to the fact it might go up, but it's rejecting at the previous level.
It's rejecting that wick fill from previous on that 4 hour. on the daily too, it's at a pretty key level.
I was hoping to catch the I was hoping for it to hit the sell stop. They ain't go
On the daily, it just broke the step moving average. It just broke above it.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, man. You know, keep in mind, guys, these are not the settings for the 4 hour. It's just me looking at the candles. So yeah, I mean, this gap got filled by that candle right there. I mean, we're following the rules, but it doesn't seem like the momentum's strong enough for this particular setup.
It's volatile. It's the flight.
Yeah, it is Monday, so but everything's pointing to the upside. So I think I'm gonna stick through it until I start to feel uncomfortable, and I'll let you guys know. But we're even seeing strong wicks at the bottom on the top of the step moving average, and on top of this zone that you see here. But you also see that shit happening. So if this rejects back up, because I'm looking at mine's rejecting off that 13, and it's rejecting from the bottom as well, right here at this zone.
Yep, that's exactly what I'm looking at.
Right, so you could use the Renko bricks to kind of give you that. So I'm seeing this as well. If it closes beneath the step moving average again, I'll probably tell you guys to exit that position at a small loss and kind of get back into like a buy stop situation. So put the buy stop there at the same price, but I'd rather that than you taking an L bigger than you need to take. But I think it's just I think it's just a pullback, you know, broke, pull back into that zone from both of these wicks, and then it might actually just pop up right now as I'm looking at it. You guys see what I'm talking about?
Yep.
Straight across. Right. So boom, pull back. It always has strong pullbacks. So it's like we just have to be careful.
I just want to see a wick right there and then shoot up from there. So it's a brand new candle.
It's just bullshit. And that shit going up. I should probably take this time and get ready because I'm not going to have time to stretch. And that's going to suck. Well, I was really hoping today was going to be a quick trading day. It is not. See, and that, my friend, is what we call that bullshit.
Wow. just do like a buy stop.
Yeah. It didn't close underneath. I'm still in the original trade. Like I said, strong ass pullbacks. That was a big candle that created that break. So it's like filling in that gap. But it's just right. I'm seeing it as a strong pullback right now until it decides to close back into that zone. Is when like underneath the step limit averages when I'll start getting worried. I can see it pushing back up. So
Oh yeah, I forgot. Like whatever candle, I don't know the pin on the side, but whatever candle is that big has to make up for that other candle. Or at least make it up somehow.
we are in a chop now. It's in a choppy situation. So it's not exactly the most momentum driven at the moment. Oh, this hurts. Let me see something. All right. Well, that's our first loss. Even with the pre-sessions, it was still taking that. Yeah. Nothing you could do about that one. Yeah. I think the pullback was just too strong. I think it's still going to continue up. So the momentum wasn't strong enough the first time around. If you're looking at the if you look right here, right, it hasn't broken structure completely. It really just kind of wicked us out just now, which is annoying. Or so to upside. Because as it broke structure here, it broke structure here again, and it's just reestablishing itself structure-wise. It is Monday right there. Then you have the top here. So this is your actual range from structure, price, Here, broke down, high, low, low, broke structure here, change the character, boom. Now you have 2 points of rejection coming towards the upside. So Sol X, what is it? I also have the signals going to the chat, guys. So let me make sure I actually have it going to the chat. I don't have any alerts set. Good thing this one didn't send out. Could live with that. Yeah, it's stuck within this range right now. Like it poked out, and I don't want to say it's a false breakout. It obviously kind of was, but I think it was just too strong of a pullback. I still think that it's going to push up because as I've seen, based on fundamentals and based on just looking at all these wicks from the bottom, it's not breaking structure. It's pulling back really hard into the trend, especially because it just reestablished itself structure-wise as I went over. So I think it's still going to go up. I think buy signals are still valid. Fundamental supports it. Structure supports it. The algo technically still supports it as we're still above that daily VWAP. And I think this is just like a pullback into whatever this was early on from last night. So yeah, this is London's low right here, down here again. So I think that any buy signal that plots here is going to be valid. If you do get a sell signal, it's going to be a nice drop for you. Because this is what I initially thought this morning when I saw this. If you guys look at the 1 hour without anything, I just see a double top. I see this move happening. Long term, you can go here, just hit levels of structure. That'll just be that, right? So just quick markups so you guys can see what a possibility is, I'm saying structure wise, but you never know because if it actually breaks this level, that's exactly where we have that break of structure to the downside and all those previous levels. Are you on the 5-minute time frame? That's one there. It's already out of there. I'll look into that. Good to go. Let me see. All right. Well, it's gonna be one of those days. Dalian, can I show you my market yesterday before the market open? Yeah. Show it in the chat. No, I think it could actually fold. I don't really have a bias. I just do whatever this thing tells me to do. Can you do a stock setting video because my membership expires this week? Sure. Let's make one now. What stock? Damn, I'm good. Wow. Does this suffice? I'll go. I'm looking into it, guys. I sent it over to Julio so you can look it over. He'll let me know by the end of the day.
I'll tell you the market's bipolar.
Could I zoom out? You don't see nothing but TPs. I'm still looking on NASDAQ on my phone, guys, so I can still see it. Does this work for you, bro? Set your stop loss type to ATR. TP1 is 0.5. TP2 is 1. TP3 is 1.5. ATR length is 15. Let's actually see what it looks like when it's on 10. you even get tighter entries. So
I have a question.
hold on, Dyson. Hold on, Dyson. So keep your stop loss at 10, your ATR length at 10, multiply at 1.5. Take a screenshot of this. I have it at break even, offset at 2, break even after TP1. ATR band, high-low type is ATR. Set to the close, ATR length is 10. And all the same settings I have for everything else. Strict 21 on the step moving average. You can use ALMA or an EMA, doesn't matter. Daily VWAP strict. I'm showing the chop. I don't have it as a filter at the moment. Then my pre-session range and then New York session. But you're trading the 1 hour, so I don't think the sessions is going to apply to you the same way. But there you go. Those are the settings.
If you put in points, right? This is still measured through ATRs or there's measured points.
I'm not even going to act like I understand anything you said. What'd you say, bro?
Okay, what I was saying was, all right, does it measure ATR or okay, when you put in points, right, does it measure the ATR of the points or just measure pure points?
It measures pure points. Pure points.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's back between its range. I have about another 15, maybe 30 minutes, depending. Because I got to go to practice. You could guys see it's still in this range. We took 1 L. That's our second loss since we started the lives. And last time we lost, we made it right back right after. So I don't even constitute that as a loss. So the bot is sending trades automatically to the Discord chat. So when this does break out or a new signal plots, it will send to the Discord chat. I'm gonna be going through whatever DMs today. As I said, I'm gonna be at practice. So just, let me go throughout the day and I'll get back to you guys, whether it be tonight, tomorrow morning, whatever. This is my first day of scheduling myself out, see how long things are for and stuff like that. And so just let me get through the day that way. But for the most part, a lot of you are already set up. The EA situation, I'm going to look into it. Have Julia look at it. I never had that error, so if you're having that error, we have to figure that out. We will figure that out. I'll get an answer to you guys as soon as possible. If you hit me up and I don't answer, understand I don't have the best service out here in Dominican Republic, and I'm probably playing basketball. So just give me to the end of the night, and you guys know that I'll always get back to you. Are we good on that one? All right. I apologize again. Don't forget about me. Make it hard to forget about your money. I ain't gonna forget, bro. I don't forget. Guys, do I forget about any one of y'all? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm gonna be here I'll chill out for another couple candles, or until my coach tells me to come downstairs, because But just want to let you guys know ahead of time. All right. So like I said, right, so let's talk about this, right? We have that pre-market range. Then we have what I let you guys know what I was thinking about exiting the position at this candle when I saw a rejection from the top, because obviously that's a sign of lost momentum. So I was like, okay, maybe it's going to pull back hard. And that's exactly what it did. Took a L, that's fine, right? But as you can see now, price, when it was rejecting from the bottom, started rejecting towards an upwards slant, like a small trend line to the upside. So, all it did was kind of break structure, wick out here, pull back hard. And now I think we're going to continue to the upside if it continues this way. Now, it were to break structure is where that other signal, obviously, you can only go one or two ways of the market. But that's when I'll get into those sell positions I was looking at earlier, based on the 1 hour looking like it's at a double top situation. So those are two ways that you can kind of mentally mark up the chart in your head. So again, when I'm not around and you want to take the trade, you know the setup to look for. Since we started the live calls with YouTube, we're sitting at 29-2. Really? That's dope. 29-2. Like I said, that I remember the first one. Trust me, I remember that first one. And we lost, but then made double right back. Like right after that, the next signal, we made double that loss back. So it was like, is it a loss though? To keep it gangster, I'll keep the 2, but it's really a 1. It's really a 1. You know what I mean? So. $29. Man, I'm having a hard time waking up today. Oh, that sun. Yeah, it looks like we're in a little chopped up situation, but it looks like the upside is promising. So yeah, I'm gonna have to jump off and go handle what I gotta handle. But you guys can still hit me up. I still got my phone on me. You know what I'm saying? So just hit me up through there. If I don't answer right away, the answer is simple. I'm probably putting a ball in the hoop. Okay. When there is a present signal, it will be sent to my Discord. Link in the description. Make sure you guys are part of Hero FX, the broker that we use. Did I upload the video? I have to upload the video. But you can ask either Roger or Dia how to subscribe to the free Forex live copy trader. And that's when you can attach your account to our account, and it will trade Forex pairs for you on your behalf. Join the Discord and got DM'd with 15 messages. We lit. I don't know what to tell you, Papa. You feel me? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? So that's the setup. I think I'm gonna try my best as well because I'm on my laptop. I've never set up anything on my laptop. Everything's on my home computer. So I have to reset up my EA. I have to reset up everything. And I think maybe next week I'll make the EA a copy trader, or I wait till I get back. It just kind of depends on my setup at the moment. So you guys have options for that as well. But as of right now, you have the free signals chat that's in the Discord. You have the copy trader as long as you're part of Hero FX, if you use the link in the description to sign up. So any last questions or comments before I jump off?
all other side. All about saying, what's the minimum amount for like the force?
$200.
200. Oh, yeah.
Why I don't have authorization for Sigma? Are you a bundle member, or I mean, either doesn't matter what package you have, you should have access to it if you send the command to the MN bot. How do you get the NY session box to pop up? What do you suggest I do to get situated? I suggest you just wait a second. Study the algorithms first. The MT5 EA, well, I have a matter to settle with that apparently. So just give it a day. Sessions is here at the bottom, guys. So at the bottom of the menu, boom. Make sure you put your time zone, the one that matches your trading view down here, right? Julio says, seems like they don't have the indicators in the right spot. That for James and whoever else that was in the beginning. Joey. So do yourself a favor, please, and do me the favor. Go watch that EA setup live video one more time and just make sure you have the indicator set up in the right spot. And if it doesn't work after that, then tell me I was wrong and I'll figure out the real problem. Is it in the right folder? So yeah, Julia said that you probably don't have it in the right folder. Okay, I have that. Not sure why it's like that. I have sessions marked. Thank you. No problem. And my boy, Pat Way, just you have to give me a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I got you. Your lifetime. So you can pick my brain for life. So do you want me to reach out to you? No, we good. I'm talking to him. I appreciate you, D. You're good. He literally just answered me right now. He said, it seems like it's not in the right folder. So you guys saw how I set it up. And then it's in that live video. Just go watch that. And if it still doesn't work after that live video, after you hear me rant for an hour, it don't work, holla at me and I'll make sure I get that done. Do plans automatically cancel after the month expires? No. It tries to charge you again, like maybe once or twice, and then it'll cancel. He said, no, it's def in the indicators folder. Did you, with the new set of indicators? So this is what I want you both to do. Yes, that Roger. Oh, Roger gave you the ones. Okay. So this is what I want you to do. Send me a screenshot of that, of where you have it in there, and then I'll send it over to G and then see what he says from that. All right. I don't feel bad. A lot of people hate stop losses on these freaking NASDAQ trades and US 30 trades. All right. So again, love you guys. We're doing a live call tomorrow as well. All right. If you guys see my little makeshift, I'll actually send a picture of in the Discord, my setup. I got like a portable monitor, a laptop. I'm saying so. It's actually kind of cool. Got a light, but all right, cool. So I'm off this. Gotta go, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right.